How to use Zoho Campaigns step-by-step email marketing guide. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys step-by-step on how you can get started with Zoho Campaigns. Now we all know Zoho, which is a platform that can truly serve as your all-in-one business solution. They have one particular tool called Zoho Campaign. Now Zoho Campaign is a tool that is specialized for email marketing, where you have powerful tools that can help you in building efficient campaigns. Things such as contact management, templates, personalization, automation, e-commerce, all are linked within Zoho Campaign. So you are able to grow your subscriber list and you're able to engage with your customers. And the best part about using Zoho Campaigns is that you can get a 14-day free trial of their premium plans and you can get started completely for free. So to head on over into Zoho Campaigns, just go into zoho.com/campaigns. Once you do that, click on sign up for free to get started with your sign up on Zoho Campaigns. Then you're just going to fill in your information, or you can proceed with Google, LinkedIn, or Microsoft. I'm going to log on via Google for a quick and easy sign up on Zoho Campaigns, and you don't need to provide any credit card information or any other information just to get started with Zoho Campaigns. So we're just going to head on over into Zoho Campaigns, and once we do that, we are going to move forward and get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is connect to your store. So if you have an e-commerce platform, simply click on e-commerce on the left, and then you can proceed with connecting your store. This is because whenever you are syncing up your store and you're sending out marketing, you might want to advertise products or new collections. And if you have synced up your e-commerce store over here, this makes it easier for you to advertise and sync those products together and have everything be integrated into one unified platform within Zoho. Now, moving forward in Zoho, we're going to head on over and then go back into our dashboard. Your dashboard has a basic onboarding, and you can get started with adding contacts, creating campaigns, and automating your user journey. So to get started, simply click on Contacts on the left. Once you do that, you're going to click on All Contacts. Now, within contacts, you have a few different tabs. So you have the ability to manage lists, topic, sync services, build segmentations, build your own sign-up forms, and contact scoring and tags. Now, when it comes to tags, when it comes to your contact tags, lists, and topics, all of them are related to segmentation. Segmentation in itself is done based upon behavior, whereas the rest of the type of organization of contacts is just done in a stagnant list format. So to add your contacts, you can click on Add New, and then you can add multiple contacts by yourself or sync them from another platform. Or if you already have a pre-built list, all you have to do is head on over and then just click on Import. And then you can import your contacts from your pre-existing lists as well. This makes it easier for you to just manage your contact and have them be synced into one specific space for you. So once we have done that, we're just going to proceed and we're going to click on multiple contacts, and then I can just type in my own subscriber. So let's say whatever is the email of my particular contact, I'm going to add that, and then we're going to add that over here, add the company name, so on and so forth. You can fill in all the information. Below that, you have your contact list. So you can create a certain mailing list and add your contact to that particular mailing list. So I'm just going to add that in my subscriber mailing list, and then override subscription type for existing contacts, as well as these contacts have given me consent to receive relevant emails for my product, and then just click on add. And just like so, you can do bulk adding of contacts within your email marketing for Zoho Campaigns. Now, once we've set up our basics, we can move forward with Zoho Contacts, and we're just gonna go on ahead and simply proceed. So once we have built our contacts, I like to go into Manage Lists to start building and categorizing my lists. So first off, I have a sample list and then a subscriber list, and I can click on Add Contacts here. Once I do that, I can add them just like so, and I can import them, sync them, or add them via a sign-up form. Once you've started building your contact list, it's time to start going into campaigns. So within Zoho Campaigns, you have email campaigns as well as SMS campaigns. So simply click on SMS or email campaign, depending on the type of campaign you want to create. I want to create a email campaign. So I'm just going to proceed with my email campaign over here. Once I've selected email campaign, I can move forward with sending out my campaign and building my campaign. Now, whenever you're building campaigns using Zoho, you're just going to click on create campaign, and then you're going to choose what type of campaign this is. So Zoho gives you multiple options if this is a meeting, RRS, A/B testing, regular email, webinar, SurveyMonkey, Zoho Backstage, coupon, e-commerce, or Zoho Forms. Let's say this is going to be a regular email advertising my new product line. So I'm just going to name this my new arrivals or summer SS25, and then I'm going to click on save and proceed to add my new campaign into Zoho. Then I'm going to add my subject line. This is going to be the subject line that is going to be displayed within the Gmail inbox of my customers. So it's important to make this interesting, or just to make it something that is good to listen to or good to look at, and enticing, that is clickable. So we're going to add that over here, which is going to be explore the magic silk or chiffon with our new collection. And then the pre-header, summer SS25 is out now. And now I'm just going to click on save. Now you do want to make it really enticing, and you can use things like emojis. You can just make sure that it's something that people would want to click on. Then you're going to add your sender details. So you can add the same sender for all, and you can base this on a custom field as well. I'm going to make this a simple sender field, and I'm just going to add Lily Davis. You're going to have your sender email address. Make sure this is an authenticated domain. Then you have reply tracking as well as reply to based upon a custom field. And then I'm just going to click on save over here to save my sender address. So once you do that, you can proceed on to your next step on your campaign. So once our sender address has been saved, we can add our recipients. So you can choose a certain segment or a certain list of people that you want to send this email to. I'm going to send this out to everyone within my sample list. And this is why categorization of your contacts is important, because once you've started building your contact list and then you're sending out emails and you haven't categorized them yet, it's just going to be very annoying to have to figure out who you're trying to send your email to and you do not have the proper categorization already made. Then you're going to click on create content, and this is the fun part of using Zoho, because their campaign builders are so nice and easy to use. So you can just head on over and start sending out your campaigns with their campaign builder, because this campaign builder is going to simplify everything. So you have pre-designed templates and basic templates. I'm going to opt for a pre-designed template and just customize it. I can choose the category that I want, and I'm just going to scroll down and take a look at some of the pre-designed templates. So you can explore them based upon the category as well. You can filter them out based upon the category you're looking for. And once you have chosen an appropriate template, you can just proceed with customization. Welcome product, holiday, then we have seasons, we have deals and offers, and you can click on show more to explore more templates within a certain niche or a certain category as well, which is just going to be just easier and simpler for you to just view different types of templates and styles of templates as well. So once we have explored some of the basic templates, we are just going to move forward, and I want to go on ahead and just proceed with maybe this template here. It looks interesting, so I'm just gonna go with this one, and then I can click on select template. Once I do, I have a simple drag and drop editor. So on the left I have all the elements, the layouts and designs, and I can click on any element to customize it. Once I click on it on the left, I can edit it, and then I can click on proceed on the top right to send out my campaign. And this is how you can get started with Zoho Campaigns. Now Zoho Campaigns is available for free, and this is available for free if you have under 2,000 contacts with 6,000 emails you can send every month. The more popular plan is the standard plan at $3 billed annually, and if you choose to opt for monthly billing, it's only $4. But this depends on the number of contacts. So as your contacts increase, the pricing is going to vary. So you're going to set the estimated number of contacts you have, and then you are going to have relevant pricing. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.